So if you remember, last week we started plotting points, and then we went to graphing using the table. And then on Friday, I think it was, we started graphing with x and y intercepts. So remember, to find the x-intercept, we're going to let y equal 0. And to get the y-intercept, we're going to let x equal 0. So if you just remember, when you're graphing with x and y intercepts, you do one of each, right? Plug in 0 for the x one time, 0 for the y the other time. You're going to get your 2 points where it crosses the x and y axis. So let's plug in y equals 0 first to this problem, because this is what I want you to do, is I want you to find the x and y intercepts and graph it. So when I plug in y equals 0, we're going to have 2x minus 8 times 0 equals 32. And then, what is that going to be? 2x equals 32. Divide both sides by 2, and then x equals 16. So that means your x-intercept is at 16. Then we'll do the same thing for the x. So we're going to plug in x equals 0. This is going to give us our y-intercept. So it's 2 times 0 minus 8y equals 32. Okay, I'm running out of room, so I'm just going to cross that off because it's going to be 0, right? Then divide both sides by negative 8. So y equals negative 4. So I'm not going to do today's work. You're going to do just in your notes folder. We're not going to have graph paper necessarily. And these are easy to do without graph paper, because I can just put there 16 is my x-axis. Maybe that's 4, 8, 12, 16. I counted by 4s. And then here, put negative 4 down here. That's my y. And connect them. Okay, so you can just draw yourself a little graph to be able to graph these. Okay. So go ahead and do these 3 problems. You may need a little more room, but do these 3 problems in your notes and spread them out. I'm going to redo this one down below.